In this video, I will show you how to replace the hood latch assembly on a 4th generation Kia Sportage. The hood latch is responsible for keeping the hood securely closed while driving. If the latch becomes damaged, worn out, or fails to lock properly, it should be replaced as soon as possible. Before you begin, make sure the hood is open and properly supported. The hood latch assembly is mounted on the back side of the upper radiator support beam in the center of the vehicle. On one side of the latch, you will find an electrical connector, which is for the hood open sensor. Disconnect the connector by pressing the release tab and pulling it straight out. On the other side of the latch, you will find the hood release cable. Follow the cable a short distance and you will find the cable joint where the latch cable connects to the main hood release cable. Disconnect the cable by separating the ball end from the metal socket. Once the ball end is free, remove the cable from the retainer bracket. Now we can remove the latch assembly. The latch is held in place with 4 10mm bolts, 2 on each side. Use a 10mm socket and ratchet to remove all 4 bolts. Once the bolts are out, carefully take out the hood latch assembly. Here is a close-up of the hood latch assembly. This is the part number. Now place the replacement hood latch assembly in position and align it with the mounting holes. Start all bolts by hand first to prevent cross-threading. Then tighten them evenly. The factory recommended tightening torque for these bolts is 7.8 to 9.8 Nm or 5.8 to 8.7 pound-feet. Do not over-tighten as it may damage the mounting points. Next, reconnect the hood release cable by snapping the ball end back into the metal socket and secure it in the retainer bracket. Then reconnect the electrical connector for the hood open sensor. Now it's time to test the latch. Close the hood gently and make sure the striker is properly aligned with the latch. Next, fully close the hood and make sure it locks securely. Then pull the hood release lever inside the vehicle to confirm the hood opens properly. Finally, verify that the hood open sensor is working and the warning message turns on and off correctly when the hood is opened and closed. Consider subscribing to Wheels Joint for more automotive repair videos. Thanks for watching.